What's good, YouTube? Alex here, and you already know what time it is. It's like my one video a year. We got the Diamond Mystery Box unboxing. It's the day after Christmas. I would have filmed this yesterday, but as some of you know, I live in Nashville, and if you've seen the news, we had a bombing in Nashville. So a lot of Wi-Fi and cell service is gone for people that have AT&T. That'd be me. So I, right now, as of this recording, can't call anybody, can't text anybody. I can DM on Wi-Fi, but that's about it. So, yeah, I don't know if this video will get uploaded this weekend. I'm going to try. I don't know if it gets uploaded tomorrow, today, one way or another, before 2021. I'm hopefully going to upload this video. But yeah, if you're new around here, I do this every year. It's Christmas tradition, getting the Diamond Mystery Box, doing a video for you guys, opening it, and seeing what I got. Been buying these since they started them 10 years ago. So, yeah, let's go ahead, crack this thing open, get into it. First thing I see is a hat. Cool. So we've got, looks like, this one a snap or a strap? It's a strap. It was velvet. Shout out to Mr. Farmer Simpson. What is that, velvet? But yeah, we've got a black velvet hat with a gold D on it. And in the back, we got the strap with diamond and gold right there. Yeah, really cool hat. This one says it was 36 bucks. I paid $100 for this box. That's how much they are, 100 bucks. So I'll keep a rolling tally if I can of how much everything costs, and we can get a grand total at the end. But yeah, super sick. Gold hat. Good one to add to the collection. Next, let's do a t-shirt. We have the I Will Always Love You short sleeve tee in white. This one is 30 bucks. If I can find a picture of it, I'll post it somewhere on the screen. I don't really open the shirts unless they're already open, because I just keep them in the collection until I'm ready to bust them out. So I've got probably 10 years worth of shirts that are still wrapped up like this. Like this one, I literally just opened this to film this video. But yeah, this one's cool. I Will Always Love You. It's got lips on it. Got an eye. Pretty cool. This one was 30. Set that right there. What we got next? We have the black split flag tee. Diamond Supply Co. of the USA with a take on the American flag. Pretty cool. Like I said, if I find a picture, it'll be up here somewhere. This one was 32 bucks. So, yeah, cool. Another one to add to the collection. Let's go for this shirt right here. The Etching print short sleeve tee in white. And again, a couple white tees with this box. Yeah, this one, it's a cool design. I don't even think I've seen this one before. But yeah, it's got like a dude's hand holding a diamond. Looks like it's etched out. So that's cool. This one doesn't have a price on it, but we'll say 30 bucks, around the same. And then let's see what we got here. This is a hoodie, I think. Yeah, the Star of David hoodie, mineral wash. It's a mineral washed hoodie with the Star of David. It says Diamond Supply Co. It's got a lion coming out of the star. He's carrying a diamond, so that's pretty cool. I don't have really any mineral washed hoodies, so this is a good one to add to the collection. I think we've got 1, 2, 3 more things. So we got yellow right here. Big yellow fan. This looks like an Astro Boy collab shirt. Doesn't even have a label, but it is Diamond Astro Boy collab yellow. Probably about the same, 30 bucks. Oh, what was the price on this one? Their hoodies are usually like 80 bucks, so we'll just say 80 bucks. But yeah, this is cool. Yellow Astro Boy tee. Just got him on it. It says Diamond Supply Co. at the bottom. Pretty cool. Oh, got a keychain with the diamond logo on it. I've got one on my keys right now that's square with their square logo that says Diamond Supply Co. So might switch that out for this one. Next, oh dude, this shirt is so sick. I think I wanted to buy this one because I've seen this one before. It's the Pirates Cup Crystal short sleeve tee. It looks like kind of like black tie dye, so that's pretty cool. It's got a skull, snake, like a cup, like a championship cup. Says diamond. If I can find a picture, it'll be up there. Yeah, dude, this is probably my favorite out of the box for sure. That's right up my alley. Next, oh, we got a little pen. Get your shine on diamond enamel pen right there. Pretty cool. Don't have anything like that. And we got our last shirt. The last one is navy, the marquee tee Amazon. And I don't know, it probably has something on the back. I'll find that out if I find the picture. But right now it just looks like it just has diamond right there on the left chest, and this one was 30 bucks. So yeah, another year, another box down. If you bought a box, let me know what you got. If you posted a video, drop it in the comments. I'll check it out. 2020's been a year, huh? So I don't know. You may see me again next Christmas. You may see me in 2021. Who knows? But cool box. Always love it. Shout out Diamond Supply Co. for doing this every Black Friday. And that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Take it easy. I'll see you when I see you, YouTube. Thanks. Peace.